Hello everyone, we got a 1987 Suzuki Intruder here, and we had just finished putting a new tire on it, but just want to give some people a heads up. The Allen key that you need for the front, so you can see this, just finished putting the tires on. It's a 87 Suzuki Intruder. They say you need an Allen key for the front. I didn't have one, so I said let me see what I can rig up, and all I did was use this here and it fit in perfect. The 1/2 inch fits perfect. I loosened it. Now I'm just putting it back, just giving everyone a heads up, and also for balancing your own wheel. Before you put your caliper on, all you got to do is take your tire, give it a small spin right on here before you put the caliper on, so it spins nice and free. You don't need a wheel mount. You just put that on, and let's see. So let's slow it down a little. Now your wheel should stop with the heavy part on the bottom. And see it rolling back, spinning nice and freely. So there you go. As soon as it stops, you want to put your weights right up on the top to balance out the weight from the bottom. So that's where you would put your weight, is on the top. So, and then this is the hole for the Allen key. I forget what size it is, but I didn't have one that big, so I just used a ratchet without any sockets on it. Fits perfectly. And there's my caliper hanging up so I don't scratch or damage anything, and I just got to put that caliper back on. But pretty easy to change the brakes, pretty easy to change the wheel in the front. My first time doing it, but try anything once, it wasn't bad. Just put new Pirellis on there. So I just did the back earlier. Maybe I'll give you some tips on that one too. Thanks.